Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a safe and effective screen replacement. Begin by turning off your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the bottom panel screws using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws, keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. After successfully removing the bottom panel, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it. This step is crucial as it prevents any power from reaching the components while you work on the screen. With the battery disconnected, you can now access the screen assembly. Remove the screws securing the display hinges. Usually, there are 4 screws to take out. Make sure to keep these screws organized as well. Next, gently lift the screen from the hinges, being cautious of the display cable connected to the motherboard. If you're unsure about handling the cable, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert help if needed. With the screen removed, it's time to detach the old display from the bezel. Carefully peel off any adhesive and disconnect the display cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. This part can be tricky, so take your time. Now, prepare your new screen for installation. Align it with the bezel and connect the display cable to the motherboard firmly. If you don't have the tools or expertise for this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, making the process convenient for you. Once the new screen is secured, reattach it to the hinges using the screws you previously removed. Don't forget to reconnect the battery before closing everything up. It's essential to double-check that all connections are secure to avoid issues later. Finally, replace the bottom cover and secure it with the screws. Once everything is in place, power on your device to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, you can always reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed about any potential costs involved. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the screen on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7, saving time and money. Remember, if you feel uncertain at any point, our services are here to assist you. No calls, no travel, just straightforward solutions for your tech needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.